We've covered the actual accounts, right? And the flow. One other thing I want to touch on, which isn't account related, but it is budgetary accounting related. It's understanding the status of your funds. So this is, as we saw, the appropriation, right? That's a fund. Congress is saying this is what you can spend. We had our SF-132, our apportionment report that from OMB. It's telling us that's for a specific fund. Now, there are three statuses of fund. They're going to be unexpired, expired, and canceled. Now, unexpired funds, they're great. Everybody loves them because you can have new obligations on them, right? You can get those new contracts and you can expend on them. You can pay out money. And as you remember, that 500K had 2 years of availability, is open for 2024 till September 30th, 2025. So that means over 2 years it's going to be unexpired. But then after September 30th, 2025, so October 1, 2025, it becomes expired. So every fund that exceeds its unexpired stage, which could be a 1 year, 2 years fund, is going to be expired. So that means you cannot get new obligations. You have new contracts. But if you had entered in some contracts or obligated those funds before that period of availability end, you can still make expenditures off that obligation. But if there are funds that are not obligated, they cannot be obligated. And then finally, there's canceled. Now, this happens 5 years after you become expired. Once you become a fund is canceled, you cannot obligate, you cannot expend on that. That fund is done.